So that's probably 3 inches on the covered porch. Okay. Naturally, as we get outside, it's a little bit deeper. That's my car. It was not like that at 2 o'clock yesterday, which was after 3 hours? No, 6 hours of snow. And then, of course, it kept snowing overnight. Usually, most people don't clean the streets unless they actually live in the neighborhood and happen to have a plow. So I'm gonna have to dig that thing out because unfortunately I have to go in for a half day of work today. So, oh yeah, did I mention that this is March 27th? Yeah, it's officially 7 days of spring. Can't you tell? The birds aren't chirping. The flowers aren't budding. Yeah. So, well, maybe the flowers were budding for a little bit there, but not anymore, huh? Yeah. We didn't even plow this freaking driveway. That's probably, 18 inches? Welcome to Denver, everybody, where the weather can say, fuck you. The milkman came. I already took it out. But here's the snow on my motherfucking milk. So I guess he drives, like a tank or something. But this weekend we will not go without our butter, eggs, and milk because the motherfucking milkman came during the blizzard. God bless his fucking heart.